Hello everyone, if you want to know how you can turn off Windows Defender on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn off Windows Defender on Windows 11 or Windows 10 easily. First off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write Windows Defender on here, you're going to click onto Windows Security on here, you're going to click onto Virus and Threat Protection here, click onto this Manage Settings option right under Windows and Threat Protection Settings, turn off real-time protection, turn off cloud delivered protection, turn off automatic sample submission, turn off tamper protection, and there you have it. Now Windows Defender is turned off on your computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to turn off Windows Defender. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.